Hi, my name is Ronel Ordona.
And my name is Arina Poggioli, and this is our 2022 Keychain Fixture Design Elevator Pitch.
The goal of this project is to design, manufacture, and test a CNC milling fixture that will be able to hold a Cal Poly 2022 keychain that was given for us to mill. The fixture will be mounted on the Tombstone City tombstone and run on a Haas EC400 horizontal mill. The fixture needs to be able to hold the OP1 keychain and perform the OP2 milling procedure. It must be manufactured using the Mike 6 tooling plate, Mighty Byte fixture supplies, SolidWorks, HSM Works, and the Haas VF2 CNC super speed mill. The overall goal is to multiply this fixture and mass produce the keychains. Some design strengths that are the maximum stock size we can use is the Mike 6 tooling plate. The fixture must be able to be indicated parallel to the CNC axes. It must be able to hold the OP1 keychain, produce a finished part per loading cycle, and achieve a minimum safety factor of 2.0. To meet the design constraints, we located our part face down on the tooling plate, set it against the 3/4 locating rail, and placed a 3/8 dowel pin to rest the right edge on. The part is then securely fastened against the B datum with an 800-pound Mighty Byte clamp, which is centered on the keychain. There is also a WCS board in the top left corner placed for the probe. Other features on the fixture is an indicating band, 2 T-slot holes to attach the fixture to the tombstone, engravings, chamfer, and a relief slot for a hole that is to be drilled into the keychain.
In order to verify that our clamp wouldn't deform the part, we ran a series of FEA simulations to reassure that there was a minimal deformation and stress on the keychain from our fixture. The simulations showed that the amount of deformation would be so minimal that it can be ignored.
Next, we'll take a look at the engineering drawings and figures we created for this project. This first one is the blank fixture plate, then the assembly fixture plate, and an exploded assembly. Next, we have our fixture drawing with references to the 3 datums and a standard parts drawing.
Here is our manufacturing plan, which lists every step we plan to take to machine our fixture and the tools we would use. This lists the WCS location and operations we took to machine our fixture. Once we finished our operations, this led us to about a 9-minute operation time. To be conservative, we can double this number to include tool changes and machine time, which would lead to about a 20-minute manufacturing time. More specifically, the operations we took to manufacture our fixture are the contouring of the edges, indicating band and T-slots, pocketing the locating rail, clamp, and relief slot, spot drilling and drilling holes for the clamp, locating rail, and dowel pin, along with tapping the locating rail and clamp, and reaming for the dowel pin. We finished it up by chamfering the edges and completing the engravings. The next thing we have is an economic analysis for our fixture. After doing the analysis of the cost for each item of the fixture, we have determined that our fixture cost is very reasonable. As you can see, the engineering effort takes up most of the cost at about $780. This brings us to a total of about $950 per fixture. Keep in mind that the times given were conservative and realistically could be brought down once the process is solidified and more rapidly achieved. One way we can improve our costs is by using a smaller stock for a fixture. However, this cost analysis shows that our fixture is very repeatable and economically achievable. So why is our fixture the best design? First of all, our fixture is very low in cost. At only $950, this fixture is very cost effective and can be used to manufacture many keychains. Our design is ergonomic and only makes the user turn one clamp, which is on the side closest to the user. By only using the parts that are necessary, we have eliminated any redundant parts that may increase in cost or confusion. We only have used high quality Mighty Byte parts, which can repeatedly achieve the goal of completing a keychain per cycle. All of these show how our fixture meets all the criteria, including using Mighty Byte supplies, producing a finished keychain, and keeping the cost to a reasonable level.